Hi James.
Hi Anna, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So how have things been going for you?
Uh, Not as bad as when I last saw you. I'm feeling a bit less stressed now that we've started talking about things, so it feels a bit like a burden's been lifted just a little bit.
I'm really glad to hear that things have been less stressful for you, and I'm really pleased to hear that you've been able to cut back alcohol a little bit as well. I think it would be really great if we had a chat about other options that might help with your stress more long term. Have you ever seen a psychologist in the past?
I think so. Just when I was feeling a bit anxious quite a few years back. I mean, it was kind of helpful at the time.
Okay, so that's certainly something that we can put in place now to help support you.
Yeah.
How would you feel about even reducing your benzos?
Oh, I don't know about that yet. Yeah, I'm not sure if I feel ready for that. I just can't imagine what life will be like without them. I've been on them for so long now.
Yeah, and that's something that I hear commonly from my patients, to feel a bit nervous to even think about it. Is there anything that you don't like about taking the benzodiazepines?
Well, it's annoying just having to go to the pharmacy so often. Over the long weekend I couldn't get to the pharmacy. They were all closed. Just stressed about if I'm going to run out.
Yeah. So, I mean, we could even start thinking not about stopping them, but maybe just even reducing them a little bit.
I'd like to. I just don't know if I can do it.
Sure. Maybe in that case we can work on putting some extra supports in place and some other coping strategies so that potentially in future you might feel more able to consider cutting back.
I think I'd prefer that. I think I'd prefer to be managing a bit better before we start reducing them.
So how about we organise that referral to the psychologist now?